Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, December 8th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have high pressure starting to build in, and drier conditions are taking hold over the region with winds coming in from the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures right now range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the far northern interior, mid to upper 40s in your suburbs, and upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas. Temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much today as colder air builds into the region, and you could thank these cold fronts that have cleared the area. This one's cleared the area. This is a secondary cold front that's going to drop south. Just some scattered cloud cover is expected with this cold front, and then this high pressure system noses in ahead of this low pressure system that's going to be moving through for tomorrow evening into early Saturday morning. Now, this has plenty of bark with it right now and some bite in the Tennessee River Valley, but by the time it reaches our neck of the woods, it's going to be a far weaker low pressure system and far less precipitation. Only isolated to widely scattered rain and snow showers are expected with this low pressure system. But the one on Sunday night, well, that one might have a little bit more bite. Take a look at our infrared satellite picture. You can see the lifting that's pretty strong here over the Tennessee River Valley. This low pressure system is going to weaken because it's moving over the southeast ridge, so it's moving into an area of what we call convergence and confluence, which basically means sinking air. And sinking air inhibits precipitation. But this ridge is going to collapse, and we're going to see a fundamental pattern change as a result over the next 7 days as we displace the ridge, replace it with a trough, and start to get colder and colder air to build into the region as a result. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for a scattered cloud cover with temperatures not really moving all that much. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Essentially, what you see right now is what you get for most of the day. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover as high pressure builds south. Temperatures will fall off into the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. And tomorrow afternoon, we start off with scattered cloud cover, tranquil weather conditions. High temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. But Friday night into Saturday morning, that low pressure system will pass to the south. As you can see, it pretty much collapses. So you end up with scattered broken cloud cover and a few isolated rain and snow showers. Not really much to write home about, but some of those snow showers could produce some slick roadways in the morning on Saturday. So look for low temperatures on Saturday in the lower to mid 30s. High temperatures range from the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Sunday, high pressure will remain in place in the morning hours with scattered cloud cover. We'll have another low pressure system approaching, but this one is from the polar jet stream, not the subtropical jet stream, so it's a little bit stronger. Low temperatures on Sunday will range from the lower to mid 30s, but in the afternoon, we'll see high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s with increasing cloud cover. By the evening, this low pressure system starts to transition towards the coastal waters. And so what you get is what's called an inverted trough, and that's going to lead to a breakout of precipitation. And some of that precipitation will be snow. As I discussed yesterday, there's still some debate on the strength of this trough and how much precipitation is actually going to be produced with it on Sunday night into Monday morning. But there is a threat for accumulating snowfall for locations like Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, the Poconos, the Catskills. And yeah, maybe even a little bit of snow down towards the coast Monday morning as this trough starts to exit the region. So right now we're not looking for a significant snowfall, but we certainly have to keep an eye on it. Monday morning and slick conditions, Monday morning rush hour, not looking pretty. So we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on that. Look for low temperatures on Monday to range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Tuesday, high pressure will build south with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 30s. High temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s. Kind of get a theme here. We have a standard polar air mass. Temperatures pretty close to where we should be for this time of year, if not just a touch cooler. But clearly no blowtorch or anything of well above normal temperatures or anything of that nature in any way, shape, or form. On Wednesday, high pressure continues to remain in control, but you see this storm out here in the plains? This is a storm that locks in our trough. We have eliminated the ridge over the southeast. We established a trough, and that starts to bring about the potential for more wintry precipitation for the entire region as we move forward for the rest of the month. And so this is occurring right around the middle of the month, as we have been discussing in the live chat, which we had last night. For the past couple of months, we've been looking at this time period for our transition, and it looks like that is exactly what's going to happen. But on Wednesday, look for increasing cloud cover, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. And then on Thursday, here comes our storm. Now, we're going to have a secondary low-pressure system trying to develop. The primary low is still in the Ohio River Valley. The secondary low is trying to take hold. That leads to rain along the coast, possibly starting off as maybe a touch of snow and sleet, but it'll quickly change over to rain because it's going to be an easterly wind component. Notice no high-pressure system to the north of this storm, at least not close enough to have an impact. However, this is a typical cold air damming signature. So what that basically means is cold air is locked over the northern interior. So locations like the Poconos, Catskills, the Hudson River Valley, the Hudson Highlands, i.e. northwestern New Jersey, could be looking at an icy, snowy mess here as we get to Thursday, while the coastal plain generally just remains wet. So we'll watch to see how this storm evolves. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s throughout the region. High temperatures will range from the mid-30s for the higher elevations, upper 30s to lower 40s north and west of the major cities, and then mid to upper 40s on the immediate coast. So a nice thermal gradient setting up there, which you would expect with an occluded front, a warm front, and a cold front, all basically aligning over the region. So complicated forecast. Should be interesting. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.